my dog!
My car got totaled.
So we bought her a PT Cruiser. Well, I don't exactly know how to start today's video, so we're just gonna get into it.
My car got totaled.
Yeah, that. So, as you guys know, I spent a lot of time and effort into building my sister a G35, which we both loved and enjoyed, and it came out incredible. Unfortunately, that car is no more. Bella let one of her friends borrow it. He took it, went to the next town over, and on the way back, right, no issue whatsoever, a big old truck decided to merge with no indication, no warning, and clearly they didn't check their nothing, and knocked damn near the whole front end sideways, right? Dude immediately admitted fault at point of accident. The driver, who's a good friend of ours, was not at fault. He felt terrible about it, actually came home, the kid was shaking. I felt bad. But that car is no more. And it's one of those things where you look at it, cars are replaceable, people aren't. I don't give a damn about the car. I didn't at that time. I said if it was indicative of him trying to slide it or do anything crazy, that I'd be pissed. But someone hit him, he can't stop that. And cars are replaceable, people aren't. He walked away without a scratch. And fortunately, the main goal for today's video is to inform you of the whereabouts of the G35 and what happened to it and what we're doing moving forward. What car did you want when you wanted the G35? You wanted a G35 or a...
I wanted a Z. I've always been around his little ricey boys. Love rice cookers, you know what I'm saying? Anyways,
I hate you.
I've always been in love with the Z.
So we bought her a PT Cruiser. It'll be here in 10 minutes. We got you an automatic PT Cruiser. It's purple. Just kidding, guys. We got her a Z. Actually, today we're just gonna go over the Z, clean it out a little bit, talk about what's done to it, what isn't done to it, what maintenance needs to be done. We got a really good deal on it. Super low miles.
M&Ms in it.
I saw that. There's about 5 gallons of M&Ms behind the driver's seat, which isn't a great thing.
They weren't even mine.
But fortunately, this car came without a front bumper. It is cosmetically a train wreck. Oh, it came with a bumper. This bumper here that had
My dog!
it's just
Not like it's got
a carbon fiber intake.
carbon fiber.
Okay.
Okay.
And this guy is gonna be no more after today. I just talked to a guy on Facebook. He's got a KBD aftermarket bumper that he's selling for a really good price. So we're gonna run over and go grab it. So that will be the first actual part and thing to go on this car.
The intake.
Oh yeah, I've already modified the car. Technically. I modified it about 15 minutes after we got it home. It had a stock air box with a bad MAF sensor, and just so happens that we had the engine intake from her G35 that had a good MAF sensor in
The
it.
cursed
So
intake.
yeah,
It's been in two.
It's been in 2 cars. That one oil starved and blew up, and one that got the front end knocked sideways. So the cursed intake. Let's hope that we have lifted that curse. But we installed an intake on it. We're going to get the bumper. My mom's taking her time and going through it, helping her clean it out.
Maybe we should get my oil blessed by a priest.
So now we picked it up. It's got a oil leak from hell that just came out of nowhere. Apparently the guy had his oil changed, and the dude who changed the oil stripped the drain plug.
She's just shy. She tinkles a little bit.
She gets excited and pees. Let's put it that way.
Yeah, basically.
Anytime this car is running, it literally pees oil, which is no problem. We went to go buy it. I said, hey, give me some Teflon tape, and we're gonna make this happen to get it home. We got it home. It's a good deal. It's got very low miles, but let's get in the truck and let's go get a bumper for this car. And then whenever we get back with the bumper, I'll show you the car.
Recording?
I don't know. Is there a red light?
There's a red dot.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Hey guys. shit. How does this work? Oh, I see myself. Hey guys, follow me on Instagram at G35.Bell. I will be posting the car. Oh, he's coming back. No more shoutouts. Hey, sweetie. Okay, hold on. Can you see me? Am I invisible? Okay. So, quick intermission, my bellow. If you want, like, just some pictures or updates on the car without, like, watching the videos, or, cause, like, I know, like, he's got his own shit to do. So, if you want any updates or just want to see, like, how it's doing, follow me at G35.Bell on Instagram. And you can see some old pictures of the G. Anyways, he's currently in the back putting the bumper in, so can you hear me? Oh my god, my lips are chapped.
There's music in the background, you can't use any of that?
I mean, you can, as long as you put something over it so it's like distorting the music. No, you can distort the music.
You get me copyrighted, that's on you.
Anyways, follow me at Z33.Bell for any updates / pictures of my car.
Red light?
It's on.
You good? You good? You filming? You recording? Look at you. Look at you. What's this right here?
A bumper.
For what?
9 shit bucks.
You're not supposed to show that yet.
Oh.
Alright guys, so we went and picked up this nice, well, mediocre KBD bumper.
Focus it. Start again.
We went and picked up this mediocre KBD bumper. It has hella paint cracking and stuff like that because they painted polyurethane. Polyurethane flexes, it just cracked all over and the guy didn't know what he was doing. It's okay. No worries, no worries. But now, unga bunga. Look at that bumper.
Bumper. Done. Oyster.
And if you guys can see clearly, right there, that's not water. That's oil.
That's his oil.
Go pick up the car, and the drain plug and the oil pan was stripped. Well, the oil pan was stripped. The plug was good from they got it changed to Jiffy Lube or whatever. I don't know how it happened, but when you send it with too many ugga-duggas, that's what happens. But let me give you guys an overview of the car. It's an 05 350Z 6-speed manual on some rather not terrible kind of cool wheels with a nice bumper about to go on it. I don't care that it's miscolored or anything like that. The car's gonna get wrapped. It does have cosmetic damage. It has chipping paint, cracked windshield, stuff like that. Oh yeah, I forgot that door handle's broken. Whoops.
That was cute.
Go to this one. Mom has been cleaning the car out from the previous owner. I got it. But the interior is in fair shape. It's got 124,000 miles. And it is your new car.
Yeah.
But it's actually got a little exhaust. I haven't looked under there to figure out what it is. We did put an intake on it. But right now what I think we're going to do is try to get this bumper on here. Because it is polyurethane, it flexes in the sun. We want to get it on there so it can form and do all of its good, cool things. Now the car has a front bumper. This body line right here looks real bad because there's supposed to be a piece of foam behind the bumper that holds everything up in place. You can see how that body line cleans up so good. Once we get that piece of foam, it'll go in there and hold that in place. And then we can respray that little grill area black again. And then we have a little intake inlet that'll go right here. And it'll look good. I mean, kind of looks funny with just a bumper. You need side skirts.
Yeah.
But it's your new car. So we're gonna wait on Amazon. Amazon is bringing the oil pan amongst other things that need to go on this thing. I think the belt's already here, the oil pan gasket's already here, and all we're waiting on is the actual oil pan, and we can get that popped out. That's what's cool about these DEs is it has a 2-piece oil pan. It's got an upper and a lower. Just the lower is the part that needs to be replaced, which is super cheap on Amazon. It's only 10 mils to get it off, and you put the new seal on, pop it on, and you're good to go. So we will get that knocked out, and then this thing is almost like ready to be driven around. I'm excited. It looks good. And then update on the car, other than my mom using it as a freaking desk, which is irritating. That go up there. Seats in, interior is relatively put together. The freaking gauges are in. If I come under here, where's that? Where's my little thing? There it is. Pop the hood. Come up front. Hood is already popped, thankfully. Lift this little guy up. And then boom. We have our custom fabbed up pipes from my buddy Jonathan Morales. I mean, it's been super wet down here in Florida, so all the cast is super nasty. But we have our up pipe done. This thing is starting to look more and more like a car every day. Now we have one shit box in the driveway. Make that 2 shit boxes in the driveway. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Drop down there in the description. Go follow my sister on Instagram. Let's get that popped up, and stay tuned for the Civic and Z content. We got 2 very different worlds coming together. But besides that, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.